guys. Okay, today we are going to make cake in a mug recipes. One of the recipes is your regular sugar, flour, cocoa recipe. It's super good, super yummy. The other one is a little bit more healthier with peanut butter. So I'm gonna make both. I've made the first one many times. I love it and I wanted to share the recipe. And then I also have the other healthier option as well, because I want to try that too. And hopefully you can make them yourself. And my cat just jumped up on the counter. Right there. Let me clean the counter again and get her off. Give me 1 second. So, 1/4 of a cup of flour, right in there. Have the cocoa right here. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. There we go. 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. So I'm gonna use this right here. Not cocaine, baking powder. Just wanted to let my mom know. There we go. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do, this is 1/4, but I'm gonna do like half. Let's see if I can measure this right. Like, oh, already too much. There. Put the rest back. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I already have that measured right here. Boom. You can also use coconut oil or canola oil as well. And then I have my almond milk, 1/4 of a cup plus 1 tablespoon. So this is 1/4 of a cup. Right there. And tablespoon is used for everything. Just about everything. Boom. Okay. So I'm actually going to whisk that together. Right. As you can tell, I'm just going to whisk it all. I'm going to put this in a little favorite cup of mine. Look at that, so yummy. Add in the chocolate chips. Is this semi-sweet? Morsels, 100% real chocolate. I put in a lot. You guys can put in as many as you want. That should be enough, right? Maybe a little bit more. There. All right. Okay, so then you take that mixture, put it in one of your favorite mugs. This is one of my favorite mugs. It is so cute. I got it from Disney. It has like every character. Every character. Just keeps going. And it's from Mom, but I bought it for myself. All right. Use my little spatula. I'm gonna get some of this out. This is holding all of these. There. Yep. Okay. I'm excited. There we go. Put the whole thing in there. If you want it to be moist, super moist, I suggest putting more chocolate chips in. Okay, try not to make a mess, but here we go. You can make it all the way to the top, but it does have to have some room to rise. All right, then you're going to microwave this for 70 seconds. I'm gonna do a minute, and I'm gonna watch it. If it starts to steam, taking it out. So, we'll see. This is what it looks like right now. Oh yeah, look at that. Like, the best part is that it's like wet with chocolate on the inside. So, that is so good. Oh my God. All right. Once again, the internet does it. I just wanted to share this recipe because it is so good. People want sweet stuff randomly. Like, it just happens. And when you don't have anything, you can literally look in your pantry and you probably have everything that you need. I did. It's so good. So if you want more of a dry recipe, don't put any chocolate chips in it. And if you want a lot of like this warm chocolate that like drizzles off, add more chocolate chips. Really gonna end this now. I'm gonna save this, probably give some to my mom, clean this bowl out and then start on the other one, like right now. This one only has 1 tablespoon of flour, a lot less of cake, basically. I've never done this, so this one is new to me. All right, there's my 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna show you like this time. 2 tablespoons of crunchy peanut butter. Have that right here. So you know what? That's a lot. Putting in like this is a lot. It's not really a tablespoon. Hold on, let me actually make it like rational. Oop, I washed my hands, don't worry. Okay. Now I gotta wash them again. Okay. 1 tablespoon of honey. You can also use maple syrup. I'm gonna use honey because this is more of a healthier option. All right, y'all. But oh yeah, that's good. And this is gonna be difficult to take off as well. I'm gonna use a little helper just to kind of like help it along. I'm trying to do the best so you guys can see it. 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk. What I have right here, I use almond milk for everything, for my cappuccinos, for my recipes, for my cereal. Although I don't really eat breakfast, but see, just like that. 2 of them that goes in here. And then it says sprinkle dark chocolate cacao. There's not gonna be a lot of chocolate. This is more of a peanut butter recipe, but I am just gonna sprinkle some on. Oh. It's not really sprinkled in there now. I kind of just like accidentally threw them in. Sprinkle this shit on there, okay? Don't do what I do. Oh well, can't really make this wrong. And then chocolate chips. And do the same thing with chocolate chips. You don't have to if you don't want to. That's good. Okay. Liquid, you can tell. I just feel like it's too dry. But maybe that's the recipe. So we're experimenting together here. Okay. That's it. Right there. So I put in way too much chocolate cacao because it's supposed to be actually brown like peanut butter. So whatever. All right, in the microwave it goes for 1 minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna eat. This. It's so good. 7 seconds. My cat got up here again. She's so cute. This is what it looks like. So it's like steaming right now. It looks dry. So let me see how this one tastes. It's supposed to be brown, like, yeah. So I definitely put in too much chocolate, but like, who says that? I put in too much chocolate. Like that doesn't exist. It tastes really, really good. It's basically like the same thing, except there's peanuts in there. It's a little bit drier. It's not as sweet, but it's still super good. And I think it's just because I put in too much cacao. But that's okay. Like I said, no such thing. So yeah, these are my 2 little recipes. Cake in a mug. Super simple, super easy, and like feeds that craving that you have in the middle of the night. Like if you want cake, don't get in your car, don't buy it. You have the ingredients, seriously. So yeah, so when I needed that sugar craving, when I had that sweet tooth last night, it was perfect to have a little cake in a mug. So I hope you guys enjoy my cake in a mugs. They're really good. So yeah, hope everyone's having a great day. Please let me know if you do any of these because I'm so interested in seeing how you guys make them, what they taste like, and then I'll try them myself because I'm always looking for different recipes, different ways to make things. So yeah, have a good day.